Hey y'all, my name is Lily and I just wanted to make a real quick video. I've been getting this question a whole lot. FDA approved. No, they're not. FDA stands for Food, Drug, and Administrations. You want to watch Blippi? So, say hi.
Hi.
So, that's my daughter.
Hi.
So, FDA stands for Food, Drug, and Administration. Therefore, they would approve food, drugs, and administrations. What? You want to talk? Okay, hold on, Mama. So, her products are all natural. They're herbal dietary supplements for you to lose weight. It is pretty amazing. I mean, I've lost over 35 pounds. Over 35 pounds. So I would not be lying to you. In a second, Mama. Yes, in a second. You want to watch Blippi? Okay. So I'm just going to end this video right here because it's not going to be... She's not going to done until she gets what she wants. She's like her mama. But anyways, no. Our products are not FDA approved. Thanks for understanding. Comment below if you have a question. Let me know. Or you can find me on Facebook as Lily. Or you can join my Facebook private group, Lily's Healthy Lifestyle. Thank you guys. Goodbye.